Hi there, Sophia here. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have a really fun video. I want to show you some summer things that I picked up in my little shopping spree last week, and I wanted to show you some combinations and how I've been pairing things up for cool summer outfits because it's just been so hot lately that I just kind of want things that are flowy and loose. This is the first thing I want to show you. I bought this at Marshall's. It's super cute. It's very lightweight. What I liked about it was the low neckline. It's flattering, and because it is this thin cotton and so nice and cool, it really is perfect for the weather. I went and I found this very cute outfit. This is not from H&M. I had this from last summer, but I love it also because of the little shape of it. And I found these fabulous pants. These run true to size. These are a small, and they have the little drawstring in the front that you can tighten them if you like. They're quite long, so if you're any shorter than 5'4", you might need to hem them. I kept them the length because I'm wearing them with like a 2.5-inch heel, so they work great. I'm 5'4". The other thing that I found was the blue and white dress, but I decided not to keep that one because I really prefer for the summertime maxi dresses. I'm not always up to self-tanning my legs, and I think that if you're going to wear a short dress or a dress to the knee, the legs need to be tanned for the summertime. I found this dress, and this actually is what I was looking for. It's a very nice, vibrant, hot pink print. It's so cheerful. You can throw this on over a swimsuit, or you can wear it like I do. When I go out, I have this little shrug that I wear over. It's just a white cotton one. I've shown it to you in other videos, and it's perfect for it because if I want to be in air conditioning with something this bare, I can just pull that on. It's super, super comfy, and this is the back. Very cute. I found all those things just in one quick run through the store. The next outfit I'm going to show you is from Zara. I bought these fabulous pants on my last trip to New York. They're called the sailor pants. Unfortunately, I don't have a Zara here. It's terrible. I wish I did because ordering from them online is not the same as going into the store. But the reason they call these the sailor flares, they have these cute little pockets in the front, 2 pockets in the back. They have a very nice flare and a distressed hem. These go right to my ankles, so they're super cute as cropped jeans. I'm going to wear them in the winter too with a black turtleneck and black booties. I think they'll look fantastic. I also have a sweater this color, so I can go monochromatic all the way. And for summertime, I found a very cute top at Marshall's to pair this with, and it's this one. And I love this. It's lightweight, it's flowy, it's super casual, but also cheerful. And I've worn it with these pants, and I've also worn it with white flares, cropped and also long, and it looks fantastic. And it's so comfy. Another find at Marshall's, or no, I think this one was TJ Maxx, is this Tommy Bahama top. I thought it was so cute and summery. I love the buttons that go down the front because that is instantly slimming. If you have anything that has buttons down the front, the eye's drawn to the center of your body, and it's not like just one whole thing of print or one whole thing of solid. The buttons are very flattering to your figure if you're trying to look slimmer in a photograph or just in person. So this was very cute, and it goes really nicely with the pink pants as well, and with jeans. And I have also worn it with these pants that I got from Zara. Now this is a pretty wild color, but I love these pants, and I have gotten a lot of compliments on these pants. People are like, where did you buy them? But I got them at Zara when I was up in New York. They are so cute. They're the cropped, flared. They're high-waisted. They come all the way up. They have a very nice flared hem and a very nice fitting torso area. It's just like a flat fit. And I also got another very cute top for this one, and it's very tropical looking, so cheerful. It's this one with the buttons down the front. It has this little kind of dolman sleeve that just is nice and loose as well. This is very comfortable, very cute. I just wear this one loose. Everyone's into the half tuck. You can do that as well if you prefer something tucked in, but this is just tapered enough where it doesn't look big and boxy, and it looks very cute with these pants. These were full length, and I just cropped them. I cut them and I gave them a distressed hem, and I have worn these with everything. what I love about them is you just pull them on. They don't have a zipper, and instantly that's flattering on the tummy area because there's no zipper to bulge out. It's just flat. You pull it up. This is what it looks like. It just has, I guess, a faux zipper there and 2 pockets in the back, so it looks like jeans. It's like a stretch denim. Very cute. I remember they had them in black and other colors, and I think I'm going to get them in black because I love just cutting them and distressing them because they're pretty long. So if you do want a long flared jean look, but you don't want the zipper, these are the ones. What I have paired it with, and this is another Amazon find, and I highly recommend this. This company also has a V-neck, which is very pretty. It comes in prints, it comes in solid colors, many colors to choose from and styles. This one is very pretty off the shoulder, and rather than tying it in the front, I tied it over to the side. I think it's more flattering that way. It's a little bit more slimming to have like that diagonal look. And then this is the back. It just hangs loose, but it doesn't look big. It's just so tropical looking. Looks beautiful with a nice necklace and a big pair of earrings. This is great. It's still very summery and very flattering. I hope you liked my little fashion show today. I will link the 2 Amazon things down below. The others were just shopping and H&M. The last time I checked, they still had those things that I showed you, the dresses and these cute pants. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you subscribe for more because I really love doing these fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. See you on the next one. Bye now.